Want to drive more sales with automated email campaigns in Shopify? First, open your Shopify admin and click Marketing, then choose Create Campaign and select Shopify Email to enable the built-in email tool. Next, build your audience by clicking Recipients and selecting a segment such as past purchasers or subscribers who have abandoned carts. Use the default segment or create custom filters based on order, history, location, or product interest to tailor your message. Then design your email by picking a template and customizing it with your logo, product design, and brand colors. Use the drag and drop editor to add headlines, rich text, and buttons that link directly to your store. Make sure to include a clear call to action and personalize your subject line with dynamic tags like customer name or discount code. After you're happy with the design, click Automate and choose triggers such as order confirmation, abandoned checkout, or welcome series. Then set the timing immediately after a delay or on a specific date and save your workflow. Finally, monitor performance under marketing automations to track open rates, click through rates, and revenue generated. Adjust your segments, email content, and send times based on real time data to continually improve results. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.